Hello students, let's do algebraic expressions exercise 11b. Page number 140, we are with question 7. What must be added to this polynomial to obtain this? Okay, so whenever you have questions like these, okay, so this one is a polynomial with many terms, this is a trinomial. So when you have questions like this, replace these with simple numbers to help you understand the question first. Whether you should minus, if at all you minus, which one should come first? If you have to add, what should be done? So to understand that, first thing we have to replace these with simpler numbers. Now the question is, what must be added to this to get this, isn't it? So let me replace this with, what should I add to 5? Instead of this whole thing, I'm going to write 5. What should I add to this number is the question to get this number. Say, we'll make it 8. So what should I add to 5 to get 8? So what have I done? Instead of this polynomial, I've written 5. Instead of this polynomial, I've written 8. Now we have to find this. So what should I add to 5 to get 8? Now this you know easily. 5 plus 3 will get you 8. Now how did you get this 3? Now suppose I write 3 here instead of question mark, I get 3. Because 5 plus 3 is 8. How did we get that 8? By subtracting 8 minus 5. That means we write 8 first. That means this has to be written first. And then subtract this from this term. So subtract this from this term. So did you see we have replaced these with simple numbers to help us understand. So we have to write this first. So let's do that. So that will be x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2 minus 1. And we're going to subtract the first expression. That is x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 plus x plus 3. So we have got this now. Now this part was done just to help us understand whether it is addition or subtraction, and if it is subtraction, which number has to come first. So this we have understood. So now let's begin with the subtraction, which all of us know. We're going to remove the brackets first. X to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2 minus 1. Now before brackets you have minus, so all signs inside will change. So it becomes minus x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 2 minus x minus 3. Now the next step is arranging the like terms together. So here we have x to the power of 4. Do we have another x to the power of 4? Yes, here we have minus x to the power of 4. So let's write these together. So this becomes x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4. Then we have x to the power of 2. Do we have? Yes, here also we have minus x to the power of 2. So plus x to the power of 2. Here we have this, and here we have minus x to the power of 2. So minus x to the power of 2. Then what else do we have here? We have minus 1, and here we have minus 3. So we have the whole numbers minus 1 and minus 3. So minus 1 minus 3. Then what is left is x to the power of 3, which is only 1 by itself. So that is plus x to the power of 3. So let's check whether we got everything. We got x to the power of 4, x to the power of 2, minus 1. We finish all these. Now we have minus x left. So let's write that minus x. Now let's work out on the like terms. So x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4. This is 1 and 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So this will get cancelled. Here we have x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 2. Here also 1 and 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this will also get cancelled. Here we have minus 1 minus 3. When signs are the same, we put the same sign and we add 1 plus 3 is 4. Then we have x to the power of 3 and then we have minus x. So let's write that properly. We start with x to the power of 3, the highest power, and then we write minus x and minus 4. So this is our final answer. X to the power of 3 minus x minus 4. Question 8. How much more than this polynomial is this polynomial. Okay, how much more than this? That means this one is greater. So we are going to replace these again with simple numbers. How much more than this is this? So let me give this one simple number 6. Okay, now how much more than 6 is this number? This number is greater. So let me write it as 10. By how much is this number greater than 6? So now we know in the place of question mark we get 4. 6 plus 4 is 10, isn't it? Now how can we get that 4? Only when we subtract 10 minus 6. That means this one should come first. This one should come first and we subtract this from this. So let's write this first. So this becomes 5x square plus 10xy minus y square minus 2x square plus 4xy plus 2y square. Now we're going to remove the brackets. 5x square plus 10xy minus y square. Now when you open the brackets, change all the signs inside because we have a minus sign before the bracket. So we're going to remove the brackets. Minus 2x square minus 4xy minus 2y square. Now let's take the like terms. Here we have a 5x square and here we have a minus 2x square. So let's write that 5x square minus 2x square. Now let's look at the xy's. Plus 10xy minus 4xy. So we have plus 10xy minus 4xy. Then we have the y squares, minus y square minus 2y square. So minus y square minus 2y square. Let's work on the like terms. So here we have like terms. So let's work on that. So here we have 5x square minus 2x square. Take only the numbers 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So that becomes 3x square. Then let's go to the next one. Here we have 10xy and minus 4xy. Take only the numbers here plus 10. So 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. So plus 6xy. Let's go to the next one. Here we have minus y square and minus 2y square. Now this will be 1. Now signs are the same, isn't it? Signs are the same. So we have to put the same sign and add the numbers. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So put the same sign and write 3y square. So we have our answer 3x square plus 6xy minus 3y square. Question 2. How much less is this number than this number? So this number is less than this, isn't it? So again, what we're going to do is we're going to replace these with simple numbers to understand what to do. By how much is this number less than that? So this is a smaller number. So let's take this. And this is a bigger number. Let's take this. Now, by how much is 5 less than 7? By how much is 5 less than 7? We know that by 2, isn't it? 5 plus 2 is 7. So how did we get this 2? To get this 2, we have to subtract 7 minus 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So 5 is less than 7 by 2. So we're going to subtract 7 minus 5 to get this. That means we have to subtract this and this will come first. So let's write this. 3a square minus 6 and subtract the first one. 2a square plus 1. So now let's remove brackets. 3a square minus 6. Now since we have minus before the bracket, change all the signs inside. So it becomes minus 2a square minus 1. Put the like terms together. So the like terms are 3a square minus 2a square. Let's write that. 3a square minus 2a square. Then we have the numbers minus 6 and minus 1. Minus 6 minus 1. Let's work on the like terms. So here let's take only the numbers. So here 3 minus 2 is 1. So it'll be 1a square or simply a square. Now here Minus 6 minus 1, signs are the same, so we put the same sign and we add. 6 plus 1 is 7. So what is our final answer? A square minus 7. Question 9. If x is equal to this polynomial, y is equal to this and z is equal to this, find x plus y plus z. So we just have to substitute the values for x, y and z and add it up. So x is this one, so let's write that. So that will be 6a plus 8b plus 9c. So we've written x, now let's write y plus y it says. So plus this, which is 2b minus 3a minus 6c. Then it says plus z. So plus, and this is z, c minus b plus 3a. So we have to add this. So let's remove the brackets. 6a plus 8b plus 9c. Now before the brackets you have a plus sign, so no change here. Here also before the brackets you have a plus sign, so no change. So let's write plus 2b minus 3a minus 6c plus c minus b plus 3a. Now let's take the like terms. Take all the a's. 6a minus 3a plus 3a. So let's write that. So that is 6a minus 3a plus 3a. Now let's take the b's. Plus 8b plus 2b and minus b. So plus 8b plus 2b minus b. Now let's take the c's. Plus 9c minus 6c and plus c. So let's write that. Plus 9c minus 6c plus c. Now let's work on the like terms. So here we have 6a minus 3a plus 3a. Minus 3 plus 3 becomes 0. So this gets cancelled. So what do we have? Only 6a here. We have 6a. Now let's go to this. So here again, let's take only the number. So that will be 8 plus 2 minus, this is 1. So that is 1. All this b. Take only the numbers. Add up the numbers with a plus sign. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. So that is 9b. So that is plus 9b. Plus 9b. Now let's go on to the c's. Let's take only the numbers. So that will be 9 minus 6 plus, and this is 1. So that is 1c. Now add up the numbers which have the plus sign. So we have plus 9 and plus 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. So this is 4 and c. This whole thing is c. So that is plus 4c. So this is our final answer. 6a plus 9b plus 4c. This is our final answer. So this is the first question from question 9. Now the second question is the same thing. We have the same values for x, y and z. We have to work out this x minus y plus z. So again let's write the values for x. X is this much. So 6a plus 8b plus 9c. Now we have minus y. So minus and write the whole of y inside. So that will be 2b minus 3a minus 6c. Then we have plus z. So plus, write all these values inside. That is c minus b plus 3a. So let's remove brackets. So before brackets, if you have a plus sign, no change. So 6a plus 8b plus 9c, no change. Here we have minus, so all this will change. The sign of all these will change. So minus 2b plus 3a plus 6c. Next, it's a plus sign, so no change inside. So that will be plus c minus b plus 3a. Now get all the like terms together. 6a plus 3a plus 3a. So let's write that. 6a plus 3a plus 3a. Now get the b's together. 8b minus 2b minus b. So that will be plus 8b minus 2b minus b. Then let's take the c's. 9c plus 6c plus c. So that will be plus 9c plus 6c plus c. Now let's work out the like terms. 6 plus 3 plus 3. only the numbers if you take, because they're all like terms, they're all plus. So 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. So that becomes 12a. Now the next one is the b's. So 8b minus 2b minus 1b. Let's take only the numbers 8 minus 2 minus 1, and we have b there. Take the numbers that have the same sign, that is minus 2 minus 1. So 8 will remain the same. Minus 2 minus 1, when signs are the same, put the same sign and add. 2 plus 1 is 3. 8 minus 3, b. 8 minus 3 is 5, so that is 5b. This is a plus sign. So this would be plus 5b. So now let's take the C's. 9 plus 6 plus 1. Only the numbers if you take. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. So that is plus 16C. So we have a final answer, 12A plus 5B plus 16C. Again, question 9, third one. This time we have 2x minus y minus 3z. 2x means 2 into x. So let's write that. So that will be 2 into x. X is 6a plus 8b plus 9c. Now I've not put a sign before the bracket. When there is no sign, it is understood that it is multiplication. Okay, so we wrote 2x. We finished. We finished with 2x. Now minus y. So minus, and let's write the whole of y inside. 2b minus 3a minus 6c. Then minus 3z minus 3z. So z is 3 minus b plus 3a. Now let's work out and open the brackets. So when you have 2 into a polynomial, you have to multiply 2 into each term inside. So first it will be 2 into 6a. 2 into 6a. 2 6's are 12. So that will be 12a. Then we do 2 into 8b. So multiply the numbers. The sign is plus there. When you multiply the numbers, you get 2 into 8 is 16. 16b. Now we multiply 2 again with 9c. So multiply the numbers. The sign is plus. 2 9s are 18. That is 18c. Now here we begin with this. Here we have a minus sign. So when you have a minus sign, you can open the brackets but change the sign of every term. So that becomes minus 2b plus 3a plus 6c. Now let's go on to the next one. Here we have minus 3 into each one. So we have to multiply minus 3 first into c. So the sign will be minus 3 into c is 3c. Now multiply minus 3 into minus b. Sign minus into minus is plus. 3 into b is 3b. Multiply minus 3 into 3a. Minus into plus is minus, 3 3's are 9 and we have 9a. Now we can take all the like terms, 12a plus 3a minus 9a. So let's take that, 12a plus 3a minus 9a. Now let's take the b's, plus 16b minus 2b plus 3b. So plus 16b minus 2b plus 3b. Now take all the c's. We have 18c plus 6c and minus 3c. So plus 18c plus 6c minus 3c. Now let's work on all the like terms here. Now let's take only the numbers. So that will be 12 plus 3 minus 9 and 8. Add the numbers with the same sign, 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 minus 9a. 15 minus 9 is 6. So that is 6a. So here we have 6a. Now let's take these. Again, only the numbers 16 minus 2 plus 3b. Add up the numbers which have the plus sign. So you have to add up 16 plus 3. 16 plus 3 is 19. 19 minus 2b. So that will be 17b plus. Okay, so plus 17b. Now let's take the last one. Again, only the numbers 18 plus 6 minus 3c. Add the numbers with the plus sign. 18 plus 6 is 24 minus 3c. 24 minus 3 is 21. So this is plus 21c. So we have a final answer 6a plus 17b plus 21c. Question 9 has one more question. Here it is 3y minus 2z minus 5x. So 3y, that means 3 into y. Be careful, this time y has come first. So we're going to put this. That is 2b minus 3a minus 6c. Then, so we finished this. Now it is minus 2z. Minus 2z and z is this. C minus b plus 3a. Minus 5x. So minus 5. And what is x? X is this in the beginning, the first one. So 6a plus 8b plus 9c. Close brackets. Now we're going to work out what's within brackets and remove the brackets. So now this is 3 into 2b. 3 into 2b. First the numbers 3 2s are 6, 6b. Now multiply 3 into minus 3a. So the sign will become minus. Numbers 3 3s are 9, 9a. Multiply 3 into minus 6c. Sign is minus. 3 6s are 18 and c. Let's go to the next one. Here it is minus 2 into c. So the sign is minus. 2 into c is 2c. Minus 2 into minus b. Minus into minus is plus. 2 into b is 2b. Minus 2 into plus 3a. Sign is minus. 2 3s are 6 and a. Next one we're going to multiply minus 5 into 6a. The sign is minus. 5 6s are 30. 30a. Now minus 5 into 8b. Sign is minus. 5 8s are 40 and b. Now we multiply minus 5 into 9c. So the sign is minus. 5 9s are 45c. Now let's take all the like terms. We'll start with a. Minus 9a, minus 6a and minus 30a. So let's write that. Minus 9a, minus 6a, minus 30a. Now let's take the b's. 6b plus 2b minus 40b. So let's write that. Plus 6b plus 2b minus 40b. Now the c's. Minus 18c, minus 2c and minus 45c. Minus 18c, minus 2c, minus 45c. Now let's work on all the like terms. So this is a here. So now let's take the numbers. Numbers are minus 9, minus 6, minus 30. And all this is a. And they're all minus signs. So sign will be the same. We have to simply add. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 30 is 45. So we've got minus 45a. Now let's go to the b's. 6 plus 2 minus 40. So let's write that 6 plus 2 minus 40. And all this is b. Now add up these numbers. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 8 minus 40. So that is 8 minus 40b. So signs are different, isn't it? So we put the sign the bigger number and we subtract. 40 minus 8 is 32. So that is minus 32b. Now let's take the c's here, only the numbers. So that will be minus 18, minus 2, minus 45 and c. So here signs are all the same, isn't it? So we can add up. 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 plus 45 is 65. So sign is minus, number is 65c. So minus 65c. So final answer minus 45a minus 32b minus 65c. So we will stop with this for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.